one called Ellie?
Flaming hot Cheetos.
Oh, it's nice. I want to try this. Hold this up for me. Welcome to Montreal, guys. So, Ronde is the largest amusement park here in the Quebec city. So, guys, join us on our walkthrough tour of this amazing park with over 40 rides. Mickey! Blessed is going on the palm, the apple ride. Blessing! Woo! Go Blessing and Grandma! Hello! I see you! Ah! Gosh, this thing looks so scary.
Rest in peace, Mickey. You're not doing it?
Hi! Here comes Jamaica! Walk one! Wow! Hello, family. Hi, Zayden. Oh, there's a baby. We are on the train, on the train. Wow, look at the dragonflies. Oh, look at this big lizard. Ooh. You see him? Bless it. Yeah. Wow. It's wiggle. My goodness. Yeah, you see Benjamin? Whoa. Yeah. Here we go into the tunnel. Michaela, Mickey.
Papa, elle est plus passée.
Oh my god!
When you were at the swimming report, I couldn't even blink for the whole time. Like, your head goes like this. That's what my head gets. And when we were going on a drop, my head went like this. And when I tried putting up, 1 second later, it goes straight back down.
What the heck is that, Joe?
I think there's a jawbreaker.
Huh?
A jawbreaker.
Okay, hold this up, hold this. Take it out, take it out.
I don't think they don't actually break your jaw.
Okay. Wait. Okay, put it here, Can you get some pizza?
Pizza? Okay, like this?
Yeah, that's good.
Then
Okay, put it back.
that's the last one.
Okay, last one. We don't need all this candy. Last one. Oh gosh, look at this big giant thing here. It's like a crocodile. This is a big crocodile gummy. Okay, huh?
So you grab it by hand?
No, you can't grab it by hand. Are you crazy?
Oh, I didn't see those. Oh, there's many good stuff. I choose egg. One egg?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, here. Hold it.
Yes! Candy. Like, actually, wait. Where did you get the bag?
Oh, and the bag is there. I want to try this. Hold this up for me. I want to.
So you're adding it to the bag. Can I at least get me one?
You want one of the? I know, because I don't know how much this thing is gonna weigh. Yeah. Okay, Joe, that's it.
Alright, that's it.
That's it.
Let's go buy.
Yeah. Which one is that you're getting?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Okay, lot of mercy. What is the name of it?
It's like a circus.
Oh. Okay, Joe, let's go weigh our stuff. Okay, just give it to...
Shop
Let's see how much this is gonna come up to. $14. Okay, oh, it's here. Oh my gosh, you guys are soaking wet. Mickey, you got wet? Oh my goodness. Laurent was awesome. The kids really had fun, a whole lot. I would give the kids section like a 9 out of 10, and then the adult section like a 7 out of 10, because I actually waited on this one ride what I wanted to go on, the Monster. And after waiting 40 minutes in the line, I saw that a lot of people were leaving, and they told us that the booster wasn't working, and so the rides was going. So after waiting 40 minutes, I didn't get on the ride. I wasn't able to ride, and I was really, really like disappointed in that. And then like after we left the line, 10 minutes after, I saw that the carts were going on the Monster, but they were empty, which literally means that they were testing it. So we made the right decision to get out the line, because the ride wasn't working, which really sucked because that line was so long. Yeah. So I find that there was a few rides on the adult side, like the big section, that weren't working, and so that was a bit disappointing. Even in the arcade, we were playing games. Some of the games, they weren't working either, so we didn't have much games to play. Yeah, but overall, it was really beautiful. It was really nice. My baby Blessing was obsessed with one dinosaur. Yeah, so this is the breakdown for our trip. Our tickets, 211. Parking was expensive, $33. I literally paid $48 for two burgers that came with the fries, even though I didn't want the fries. And the kids had some pogos, some hot dogs, and some drinks for $30. And at the end, candies. Yeah.